Well, good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to cover the solution of those questions which were sent yesterday. So starting with question number 9, complete the number patterns. What you have to do in this question is, you have to fill these blanks after observing the pattern given to you. Right. Now, go through the A part, that is 76594. Second number is 76694 and the third is 76794. Now if you go through it bit attentively, then you will get to know that they are in increasing order. The second thing is to check, are they increasing with the same amount or not, and this will be checking by doing the subtraction. And for doing the subtraction, remember you have to subtract your left hand side number from your right hand side number. Means you have to subtract this number from your this number. So you can see here I have done the subtraction for one of the case. From 76694 I am subtracting 76594. 4 minus 4 0, 9 minus 9 0, 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 6 0, 7 minus 7 0. It means there is a gap of 100, or you can say that your next number is greater than your previous number by 100. Similarly, if you will do the subtraction here, you will again find the difference of 100. Means your this number is greater by 100 than this number. So for writing these numbers, what you have to do is in each and every case you have to make the addition of 100. Means add 100 to get this number, then add 100 to this number to get this number. Again add 100 to this number now to get this number. Similarly, in the B part, again observe it, you will find they are in increasing order, but by what amount are they increasing, this you have to check by doing the subtraction. So when you will make the subtraction here, you will find that this time there is a gap of 10,000, right? Because you can see that ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Rest all the digits are same, but the digit at the 10,000 place is increasing. Here at the place of 10,000 is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2. Means there is an increment of 10,000 when you are moving from one number to the next number. So for writing this, you have to make the addition of 10,000 in this number. To get this number, you have to add 10,000 here. Similarly, you have to do in the remaining parts. Now coming to the question number 11, answer the following questions for the number 56987. Means for all these parts you have to use only this number. So write the place value of the digit 5, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Therefore the place value is going to be 5 into 10,000, that is 50,000, right? It is 50,000. Write the place value of the digit 8, ones, tens, 8 into 10 is your 80. Write the digit whose place value is 6,000. Now ones, tens, 100,000, check the digit at the thousands place. So ones, tens, 100,000. Therefore 6 is the number whose place value is 6,000. Now coming to question number 10. In question number 10, there are two terms, that is consecutive numbers and after and before are used. See, consecutive numbers means when you are writing the numbers without any gap or break. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these are your consecutive numbers. If you are starting from suppose 100, then 101, 102, 103, 104, your consecutive numbers. But if you are saying like 1, 3, 4, 7, 9, then they are not your consecutive numbers, because you are skipping the numbers in between. And after means the number which will come after this, means 32065 के बाद जो number आएगा, we are talking about this. So whenever you are asked to write the number after the given number, then you have to make addition. However, in the case of before, you have to make the subtraction. Now consecutive numbers are asked, therefore in each case you have to make the addition of 1. For example, 32065. Now to get the number just after 32065, you will have to make the addition of 1 to this number, and that will give you 32066. Then again make the addition of 1 to this number to get the next number, that will be your 32077. This process you have to repeat till the time you have received the required numbers. Similarly, in the B part, you have to do the subtraction because you are asked before. Means subtract 1 from here, you will get 23657. Then subtract 1 from here, 23656. Then subtract 1 from here, 23655. Sorry, by mistake I wrote 4. It is 23655. Right. So repeat the process till the time you are getting the required numbers you are asked. Moving ahead, we have the concepts of expanded form and the standard form. See, the normal form in which the number is given is known as your standard form. It means this form is your standard form. And expanded form means expanding the numbers using the concept of place value. Suppose if I am writing this number using the concept of place value, then somewhere I used to do this, right? Therefore, to write the expanded form, what you have to do is you have to start from your bottom and go to the top, and in between each number use the sign of addition. For example, start from the bottom, that is 40,000, then in between use the sign of addition, so plus, then 7,000, then plus, then 200, then again plus, then 50, then again plus, then your 0. So this is your expanded form of this number. In the question you will be given either standard form, then they will be asking you the expanded form, or you will be given expanded form and they will be asking you the standard form. Right. So if standard form is given, do this operation. If the expanded form is given, means you are given this in your question and you have to write the number in this way, then what you have to do is simply make the addition of this and write them like this. You will get your standard form. That's all for today. Yes, if any one of you is having any sort of doubt or problem, you can always connect with me on my personal window. That's all for today. Have a good day.